2022 set an array of launches from the tech giants, carrying latest power components starting with the Motorola, followed by Xiaomi 12 and the OnePlus 10 Pro, along with affordable flagship line of Realme GT2 Pro. The tech arena is already full of champions but missing the key player, and that is the Samsung with its new Galaxy line, the S22 Ultra, about which design, of which colors, of which display properties we already know that it will come with the S Pen and the same 108 megapixels of camera. Samsung is delaying its launch due to one major component, and we know that the history says that Samsung chooses different chipset for the different regions of the globe. It chooses Exynos version, which is its in-house build for separate regions, and the Snapdragon version for separate regions. But for the luck of us, for the luck of the Galaxy lovers, the production line of Exynos is slowed down with the back-to-back periods of in-house Exynos, especially in case of S20, where a complete dismantling experience was delivered with a lot overheat and battery issues. And thanks to the shortage of its in-house chipset, Samsung will land with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in all regions of the world. A cherished news from Galaxy loyals. Exynos was chosen for Europe and Korea before this news, but the latest news from the ICE universe says that Samsung will come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 for the whole globe. And this thing is not limited to this point. The S22 Ultra will come with the more reliable protection, that will the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, details of which are not very well known, but ready to welcome the beast in Feb 2022. Goodbye.